Nothing is more expensive than Indian culture once it's rebranded. Haldi doodh becomes a turmeric latte, Kolhapuri chappals become luxury sandals, and every few months there's a brand doing this. लोग कॉल आउट करते हैं, brand response tries to fix it, और फिर पूरा conversation appropriation पे आ जाता है, cultural appropriation. And honestly, that reaction is valid. I get why people feel that way, because कभी कभी लगता है एक चीज इस कल्चर से ली गई और जब वो दूसरी जगह गई वो completely different बन गई. But I don't think that sums up the whole story. Because when we are talking cultural appropriation, we think about who is taking the credit, who is borrowing the said thing from our culture, who is making the profit off of it. And sometimes brands do fix that part. Okay, they collaborate, they give credit, they even pay artisans. But even then, something still feels different. Because साथ में एक और चीज चल रही होती है, द मीनिंग, द कंटेक्स्ट, राइट, जो कि चेंज हो चुका होता है. जैसे हल्दी दूध यहाँ पे इज जस्ट नॉर्मल सी चीज, समथिंग विच योर मदर, योर ग्रैंड मदर और अ डियर लव्ड वन गिव्स टू यू व्हेन यू आर सिक, व्हेन इट्स विंटर टाइम, राइट. बट टर्मरिक latte, now that becomes a certain lifestyle choice, something you choose to buy, something which has its own aesthetic. Same with Kolhapuri chappals. यहाँ पे they already have identity. It has certain roots, it has their own history. But in a luxury store, they're not really Kolhapuri anymore. They become a trend, something premium. So it's not just the same thing with a new name. सेम चीज है बट मीनिंग चेंज हो गया है. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई इट फील्स ऑफ, बिकॉज यू recognize it, but it doesn't represent the same thing anymore. And that's what actually usually travels globally. Not the full context, but the version जिसका meaning already change हो चुका होता है. What do you think about it? Tell me in the comments.